I've been interested in the fields of science and technology.
You want to come help set up the copper on here? Let's go ahead and shoot this.
It's what the Navy encourages you to take during the ROTC path.
We're going to shoot one of these guys. Go ahead and load up the steel cylinder.
I did 2 years with the CAP program. My first year, I worked mostly with simulations on the computer, and then this year I did a lot more experimental things.
Okay, you got that set on there, Ryan? I'm going to go ahead and charge the gun. 60 PSI.
I was working on a project of Dr. Hooper's looking into cold spray. It's a method for creating deposits of metal by spraying metal powders at high velocities at solid metal substrates. Cold spray is used in aircraft repair.
Okay, Ryan, you want to shoot this? Sure. Give me 1 second, and then we'll do our regular countdown.
3, 2, 1.
So my general strategy for interns, even at the high school levels, I usually put them on graduate level projects. In many cases, they don't necessarily have the mathematical background for a number of projects, but they can usually come in and learn the equipment and at least figure out how to do a lot of the processes, either from me or from the graduate students. Even if some of it has to be a black box, there's still a lot of hands-on stuff they can do.
Typically, you're trying to build up a large deposit when you're doing cold spray, but I was looking specifically at the individual particles, how they deform after they've impacted and bonded to the substrate. And then I was able to look at that through optical microscope and the scanning electron microscope and take cross sections to view the deformation. And we compare it to simulation work. This one has a higher cohesive strength.
Yeah, I think it's very challenging for people, especially in high school or early in undergraduate, to actually get experience what a real research lab operates like. So kind of my general goal is it's good for people to experience this and make sure this is kind of like the life that might be suitable for them.
It gave me a really realistic perspective of the academic world, of the hard sciences in general. I chose Columbia because it's one of the best universities in the country. They have a robust humanities program, so I'll probably be looking to get something a more technical kind of degree, like computer science. But I didn't want to sacrifice a good education in philosophy or history and other subjects like that I really enjoy.